Tried printing an important document, but your HP printer just won't respond? The problem could stem from connection issues between your computer and printer, driver conflicts, print queues jam, or more. But most not responding problems have simple fixes that don't require technical expertise or calling support. In this video, I'll walk you through most effective troubleshooting steps to get your HP printer responding and printing again. And if you still have the same issue, our printers experts are available 24/7. Just call us at the numbers on the screen. Okay, let's get your printer responding.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Restart your HP printer. While your printer is still on, go ahead and unplug the power cable from the back of it. Now, unplug the other end from the power outlet too. Yep, give it a full disconnect. Time for a little break. Let your printer sit unplugged for about 60 seconds. Think of it a quick power nap for your machine. Okay, nap time's over. Plug the power cable back into the wall outlet, then reconnect to your printer. Now turn your printer back on, and boom, your reset is complete. Your HP printer should be refreshed and ready to roll. If your printer is still unresponsive, even after restarting it, then move on to the next solution to run the system troubleshooter. Also, if you're facing any other problem, then make sure to write them in the comments. Method 2. Run the troubleshooter. Click that Start button at the bottom of the screen and open up Settings. When Setting pops up, look at the left side and give Systems a click. Now, scroll down just a little until you spot Troubleshoot. Go ahead and click on it. Next up, click Other Troubleshooters. We're getting close. Find printers in the list and hit that shiny Run button right next to it. And there you go. Windows is now on the case, scanning for printers gremlins. Just kick back, follow whatever it tells you to do, and let Windows work its troubleshooting magic. If the printer is still not responding, then follow the next solutions to get it working again. Also, if the solution helped you fix your problem, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Method 3. Cancel all pending documents. Alright, let's get started. Head to your computer's taskbar and search for printers and scanners and open it up. Once you're on the printers and scanners page, find your HP printer in the list and give it a click. Now, click on Open Queue. This is where magic happens. A little window will pop up. Click on the Printer tab at the top. From the menu that appears, click Cancel All Documents. Time to clear the clutter. A confirmation prompt will show up asking you if you're sure. Click Yes, and just like that, all those stuck print jobs are gone.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.